Hi, Sue here from the Unicorn Advisory, your trusted Kajabi expert with another quick Kajabi tutorial for you. Now, sometimes in Kajabi, there are places where you want to add bold, but the option isn't there. For example, in this announcement bar here, there isn't an option, there's only the option to add text. So you can actually put a very simple bit of code in here. You can also use the same format for underline and other things to make some of the words in your announcement stand out that little bit more. So to add bold, we are just going to add this simple little bit of code at the beginning, B for bold, and we want our angle brackets in here. So angle bracket, B, don't have to be capital. And then you want to put an end to show where that will finish. So we just add angle bracket and then slash B and then end. And that is how you can add that in. So if we want underline, it is U for underline. So we can also add underline. So we might add underline as well, or we could add that to a different part. And then we'll go to the end and we'll add our angle bracket slash U end angle bracket. And that is going to add that in to our announcement bar. Now this works in a lot of other places throughout Kajabi as well, just adding this simple little bit of code in places where you can't see the option to add bold or to add underline, etc. And as well, don't forget in announcement bars to use emojis, to use that emoji keyboard, which is Mac Command Space. Sorry, on Mac it is Control Command Space, and on Windows it is the window key and full stop, and that will open up your emoji keyboard so you can pick some emojis to add a little extra zhuzh into your announcements, and also buttons as well. You can use emojis in your buttons. Now, if you would like personal Kajabi help with your very own Kajabi, I would love for you to join me inside Unicorn Heroes, our Kajabi support membership. I hold a weekly Q&A call every single Thursday, Sydney time, and I can even jump into your account. I answer questions from everyone on the call, and you can submit questions in advance as well. And I stay on that call every week until every question is answered. Or if you don't yet have Kajabi, you can sign up to Kajabi through our affiliate link and get an amazing bonus pack, which includes 3 months access to Unicorn Heroes so that you can get support when you are first setting up Kajabi. So look in the comments for the unicornadvisory.com/Kajabi for our bonuses with a Kajabi sign up, or the unicornadvisory.com/heroes if you would like to join me in our fantastic personal Kajabi support membership. If you have a Kajabi tutorial that you would like, or if you're stuck somewhere in Kajabi, let me know in the comments and subscribe, and hopefully you will see that tutorial in future.